2025 Ram 2500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer. Take home the car of your dreams today.